back to Jakarta from today. Back to reality. I'm so sad. I want to stay in my hometown in Bali, but today is supposed to back to Jakarta. So sad. What's what I do? That's okay. Maybe we will go to Bali again next month for my grandma ceremony. I don't know.